Hello everyone. Do you have an e-commerce website where you have to manually complete hundreds of orders? For those, we have advanced autocomplete order for WooCommerce. This premium plugin will help you autocomplete your orders and save you thousands of hours of manually completing them. So we are going to install and activate this premium plugin. We already have the free version installed. We are uploading the premium file. Then we are installing it. After installation is complete, we are activating the plugin. This plugin will save you a lot of time. You don't have to manually complete your orders. This plugin has many features, as you can see, the premium version. But the main two options are to include and to exclude. If you include these features, autocomplete will work for only those features. For example, payment method, we can include cash on delivery. For product, we can include the product name. We are including dress casual. This is the product we are including for which autocomplete will happen. We are choosing product category dress, product tag. We are choosing casual. Product brand, we are choosing Adidas. Product type, we are choosing simple product. Product user role, we are choosing administrator. And current status, we are choosing processing. So what will happen is that any product or categories of product with these brands and types and user roles and current order status will be included in autocomplete. So we are clicking on Save Changes. Now we will go to the shop page and order this product, dress casual, to see autocomplete is working or not. So we are placing the order. We are choosing cash on delivery as the payment method because we chose that in our autocomplete order settings. Now we are clicking on place order. Order has been placed. So we are going to dashboard, WooCommerce menu and our order page. As you can see, it has been auto-completed. Now we will see what will happen if we want to exclude some features. So we are going to exclude the same product. We are excluding the category, the tags, the brand, the product types. We are also excluding the user role and the current order status. Now if we click Save Changes, what will happen is that a product or products with these categories, tags, brands, types, and all these user roles and current order status features will be excluded from autocomplete order. So let us order the same product again and see it has been excluded or not. Now we are choosing the cash on delivery because we excluded that from our payment method. So let us place order. Let us go to the dashboard and WooCommerce menu and our order page. As you can see, it is showing processing. It has been excluded from autocomplete. Thank you.